Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about Standard 10 Social Science subject map work. Now there are several important points you need to keep in your mind before you start the map work, and that points I need to mention first and then we start the practice. The first point is, if it is region ask, region or state, okay, if it is asked region or if it is asked state, okay, then you need to go for multiple symbol. Alright, and if it is asked about industry or place or center, then you have to go for only one symbol. For example, soil, crop, okay, they are available with region and state, so you have to go with multiple symbol. And industry, place like wildlife sanctuary, national park, a center of, say for example, jute industry, this all needs to go with one symbol. And you can able to prepare the legend is important. And another thing is, map work must be by pencil. In board exam, in your main supplementary, last page is of India's map. Okay, so let us start the map work. Chapter 8, first map we have to practice, that is chapter 8, okay, on page number 62. On page 62 we have a soil. Okay, as an example we will go with desert soil. Now desert soil is with blue color and mentioned on the Rajasthan area. So how to point out that? First we have to prepare the legend here, that is serial number, then we go with symbol, and then you have to go place, region or state. Alright, now first we are doing what? First we are learning the desert soil, so we go with the symbol. Why I go for multiple symbol? Because it's a region. So we can say region with desert soil. Okay, region with desert soil. And then in Rajasthan, because in textbook it is given at Rajasthan, same way here we point out, don't cover the whole state because desert soil is not available in whole Rajasthan, but yes, some part you can mention like this. And then you can mention here desert soil. Okay, then the next is say for example black soil. Now you can able to observe that black soil is available, okay, in these states, that is Maharashtra, some part of Gujarat, some part of Madhya Pradesh. So let's point out that Here we go for region with black soil. Okay, if you feel difficult over here by space, then you can able to go for back side. Okay, here and here also you can draw into 4 columns: serial number, symbol, description, and the state or region or place. Like that way also it is possible. Now we go with a concept that is region with black soil. Okay, and in textbook it shows Maharashtra, so we point out in Maharashtra. Then we write here black soil. Okay, so likewise manner, for your subject enrichment activity or project, you need to complete all these kind of map of textbook. Okay, that is on page number 62. One map is all the soil with all the states. Then after that we'll go ahead and we will go to next lesson, where we have wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary, and national park. So that we will discuss right now. That is on page number 72. How to point out that? Okay, to point out, we'll go for some examples. Here in the legend area, you can see only one symbol is there. Whenever it is asked about wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary, national park, remember one symbol. Okay, so here we go with national park first. Say for example, we put a triangle as a national park, and two frequently asked national park is, one is here Kaziranga, second is Dachiga. So we will point out that. We will point out here Kaziranga, and here we point out Dachiga. And what we write here in the legend, Kaziranga and Dachiga National Park. Okay. Now after that, the next example is of bird sanctuary, and we have here Nal Sarovar. You can see a pink star. Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary. So we will point out in Gujarat. First of all, we put a star over here. Then we write Nal Sarovar. And then in legend we write Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary. Okay. After that, we have wildlife sanctuary. Now, wildlife sanctuaries are available with a black dot, and these wildlife sanctuaries are Sundarban, we point out right now, and Etunagaram, that we point out, these two things. Periyar is also frequently asked in exam. Madhubalai also, let's go with that. Sundarban and Periyar. Okay, Periyar is in, according to textbook, Tamil Nadu. So we point out them. Here we go with here I write Periyar. Here we have Sundarban. Remember, this is Bangladesh. Don't point out anything over here. It is Bangladesh. We need to point out in Indian map. Okay. So Sundarban is here and Periyar is here, and here we note down. Here we put the legend. That is wildlife, Periyar and Sundarban Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, so this is your examples of a national park. This also you need to manage all these three. You have to point out in separate map. This is what you need to submit me as a subject enrichment activity. Okay, now I write down here the page number and that map plus whatever I upload, that everything you have to submit me as a subject enrichment activity. So one is the map of soil is on 62, page 62, 72. You have to exactly copy. You have to copy these pages, what I mentioned from textbook, to this kind of map. Okay. So 62, 72, then this map, which is on 79. Then we have 83. Then we have 91. Now this I already uploaded one video how to draw rivers. So you have to practice from that. Okay, on every river you can able to point out this multi-purpose project, and I already uploaded one video long back. Okay, so that also you need to practice. That is on page number 91. Then page number 105. And 107. So the map work is divided into two parts. This is one set of map, and second, whatever I upload online, some of the examples, like for example in this lesson, chapter number 13, you see here it is mentioned copper refining. Okay, but copper refining map work is not given in textbook, but board is asking. So I want to show the practice of those paragraph which can be converted into map work. That is second part. So basically you have to do map work by two ways. The first one is from textbook. Okay, and then the second one is from video lecture. Is it okay? Fine. So all these you need to copy from textbook to separate map. Okay. Fine. Now in my next video lecture, I will start from page number 79, 83, 105, 107. Few examples we go for. So you understand how to point out them. And then second video lecture, another video lecture I prepare for paragraph of textbook, how it can be asked in map work. Okay. So this is what you need to keep. Okay. See that your dates are already announced of submission. So kindly concentrate on that. Alright. And in next lecture we will go with page number 79, 83 and all other pages. Till then, please take care of yourself, students. Thank you. God bless you.